the different types of elements that can be added to a template using the Inspection Designer program. Elements, also known as piece types, are the items that make up a line in your inspection templates. The most commonly used element types are ratings, question answers, text pieces, and notes. For this tutorial, we're going to take a quick look at each element type and explain how it works. The first line element is your rating element. This allows you to put a rating onto a line. A rating is what is used to report the condition of an inspection item. When you create your template, you can create a rating set to contain the terms that you want. Then anytime you add in a rating piece, it will automatically use that preset rating set. Next, we have the question answer element. This is where you have a prompt or a question, and then you have a box to enter in an answer. The notes element allows you to have a place to enter as much text as you want. It is simply a button that you can click on, either select items from a drop-down list or type into. The text block element simply displays text either on screen, on the printed report, or on both. Checkboxes allow you to have a prompt with a box that you can check or uncheck. An option list element allows you to create several prompts with the option to only mark one of them. If you mark an option and then you select one of the other options in the list, it will remove the check from the first one. Image elements allow you to insert photos into a report. These are the most commonly used elements, and now we'll take a look at the rest. A text note gives you an area where you can enter text into a template that will not appear on the final report. Score entry will allow you to enter a score from an item that can then be used to calculate a value. Category score elements will calculate the score of that category based on information entered into score entries. Inspection score will calculate the score of the entire inspection based on information entered into score entries. A decorative shape allows you to add a shape to the inspection form. These will only show up on the printed report and not on the input screen. Horizontal space fillers allow you to add blank space between elements on a line to help you format them exactly how you want them to appear. Electronic signature gives you an option to be able to collect an electronic signature from your customers, clients, or the person doing the inspection. And finally, a diagram element will allow you to draw a diagram on the reports to better illustrate the findings on the inspection. This is a look at all the elements available. It is important to note that not all of these elements are able to be used in templates that are used in the PDspect app. And when you create new lines and templates using different element combinations, not all combinations will be compatible with the app. This concludes the tutorial for the different types of elements that can be used in a template.